Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2008 Toyota Avalon updated. First, open the glove box and detach the dampener to access the filter housing cover, then remove screws carefully. Clear debris and inspect the housing for leaves or nests. Prepare the replacement filter and note airflow arrow direction so you install it correctly. Take your time and work methodically to avoid breaking plastic clips. Start by emptying the glove box and letting it hang down to reveal the filter access. Unclip the dampener arm and push in the side tabs to lower the glove box fully. Unscrew or unclip the filter housing cover and remove it gently. Slide the old filter out straight to prevent dust from spilling and inspect it to confirm replacement was necessary. Check the airflow arrow on the new filter and align it with the HVAC airflow direction in the housing. Slide the replacement filter in straight and press it so it seats snugly without folding the pleats. Reinstall the housing cover and secure all clips or screws, then reattach the glove box dampener. Finally, run the blower on high to confirm air flows freely and no rattles or leaks occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.